Hey guys, I'm Elena Gandhi
And I'm Dia Broker.
and today we're making grilled cottage cheese with tomato and basil oil.
I've taken some paneer cubes and I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to it. So Elena, can you put it?
Now we'll just rub it and then I'll turn it. After turning it, I'm gonna again sprinkle some salt and pepper.
Now that we've put the salt and pepper on the paneer pieces, now we're gonna grill it, so let's do it. So now I've put the grill pan on heat, so I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil on it. I put some oil, I'm gonna wait it for it to heat up a bit, and now I'm gonna put my paneer pieces in.
Dia, be careful. How long does it have to be on the grill for?
I'm gonna keep it on the grill till I get the fine lines on the paneer. I think it's done, so I'm not gonna strip.
It's hot. She's flipped up all the paneer and now we're just gonna let it be on the flame for a minute or two. And beware not to cook it for too long, otherwise it'll become hard and rubbery. Let's switch off the flame and put it in a plate.
Okay, so now we're gonna make the basil oil. So for the basil oil, we're gonna put some basil and some olive oil into a blender. So now we're gonna add some salt and pepper to this. So now we're just gonna blend this.
Now that it's blended well, we're gonna put it in a bowl. Now we're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and now we're gonna strain the basil oil.
So we're gonna strain it little by little. I'm using a spoon so that it strains a bit faster.
Now we've strained half of the oil and we're going to discard the remaining part of it, and in the same way we're going to strain the remaining oil.
That our oil is ready, I'm gonna just show you how the oil is supposed to be. So it's supposed to be like this. It has to be a smooth texture.
Now I'm going to take the blender and put 5 pieces of grilled paneer. And we're going to go ahead and put the garlic. Now I'm going to put the basil oil.
So now we've put some salt and pepper to taste. Now we're just gonna close the lid and blend it into a smooth mixture. So our mixture is now ready, and while we were blending it, we found it a little thick, so we added 2 tablespoons of water to it.
First she's going to place the tomatoes. Now she's going to put the paneer. Now she's going to put the basil paste. And now she's going to drizzle the basil oil.
The oil gives a nice earthy flavor to the dish. Now it's ready to serve. Do try this out and let us know how you like it.
Please share your feedback with us. Till then, bye from Elena Gandhi
And Dia Broker.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.